I want to talk about World Consult Partnership Scheme. World Consult Partnership Scheme. That's the platform we have for partners. And we rolled out recently, we upgraded our partnership scheme to make it more beneficial so that it's actually a win-win partnership. It's a win-win partnership. So I'll just talk briefly on some of the benefits of being a World Consult partner. Some of the benefits of being a World Consult partner. It's possible that some of us may also want to sign up and join the partners of World Consult. It's a mutual relationship, mutually beneficial. So let's look at some of the benefits of being a World Consult partner. Number one, each partner that signs up on this partnership scheme will get 20% annual reward of his partnership fund for 5 years. The minimum entry into the partnership scheme is 100,000, meaning that in 5 years' time we would have given them back the entire 100,000 they gave to us. That one is just a minor benefit. So every year, every 365 days, they will get 20%. So if a partner is coming in with 100,000 naira, by the end of the first year, he's getting 20%. That's 20,000, 20,000, 20,000, 20,000 for 5 years, and that covers the fund, the partnership fund that he actually came in with. Beyond that, there are so many other benefits which I will mention quickly. The next one is 30% referral commission for any World Consult paid training. We've been giving flyers. We are going to have a 3-month course starting from August, and it's 60K for that course. But we'll be doing a discount of 50% or more. The first 50 people that sign up for that course. If you go through that course for 3 months and 6 months after, your finances do not exponentially improve, come back and tell me that you lied to us. We know what we are putting into for that course. International standard, the course curriculum, international standard. And we are going to be having over 15 facilitators that will run through that 3 months course. If you go through that 3 months course, I'm saying it with full assurance in my spirit. Anybody that goes through those 3 months course judiciously, the way we want it, and something does not change in your finances, something is wrong. I'm telling you. So that's one of a paid course. So if you're a partner and you refer anybody to subscribe for such trainings that are paid, instantly you get 30% of whatever fee the person pays as a referral commission. Also, as a partner, as a World Consult partner, you have free full access to all World Consult online trainings. All World Consult online trainings, you have free access. We are just about rounding up. We did a 7 days training, a 7 days training on import and exportation. We had a facilitator, A.K. Okoro, who is a don in those areas to facilitate it. And the cost fee was 5,000 naira. And then because of some challenges along the line, the course has not finished. So we are going to round it up this week. So if you are a World Consult, and we also have a subscription group. That's the one I said was running for 6 months, and we're starting up another one that will run for a year. As a World Consult partner, any online training, you have free entry. Any online training, you have free entry. Then, also as a World Consult partner, you have 3% instant referral commission for our agri business investment, for our AgroVest. So as a partner of World Consult, anybody that you refer for the AgroVest, you get 3% referral commission. In addition to that, for any on-site training, as a partner, any on-site training, that is any training, any paid training that will hold here or any other venue, any paid on-site training, physical training that World Consult will organize, as a partner, you get 2 50% discount slots for all paid on-site trainings. You get 50% discount slots. So for the cost of 30,000 naira that we're going to run, that's if you're among those that are the first 50, we're going to do large-scale publicity for that training, large-scale publicity for that 3 months training course. We're going to different places. We're going to take it far, and by the grace of God, we'll have a good number of people that will sign up for that training. So if you are a partner of Wealth Consult, for example, instead of paying 30,000 for that course, such partners have 2 slots, 50%. So they can bring in 2 people, then can choose to be one of those people that they themselves, or if they don't want to be a part of those things, they can refer 2 people that will pay 15,000, which is 50% instead of the 30,000. I'm trying to tell us the benefits of being a partner. Another benefit is that up to 7% or more referral bonus on other Wealth Consult services, including solar system purchases and installation. So our other services that we mentioned earlier, if you also refer anybody to Wealth Consult for such services, either solar training, we'll very soon also we'll have the solar training. It's part of that 3 months course. It's even it's going to be introduced in the free 1 month skill acquisition course. So if you refer anybody for any of our services, you get up to 7% or more, depending on the profit margin from those services. Also, as a partner, you get 5% referral bonus for referring other financial partners. So if you are already a partner with 100,000 or more, if you refer someone else to join the partners, any partner that comes in through your referral, you get 5% of whatever of whatever partnership fund they are coming in with. So 5%. Then all our partners have free 24/7 business consultancy services. Any day, anytime, you can call on us. Any issue with your business, any advice, any assistance whatsoever, free, 24/7, any day, anytime, as a financial partner of Wealth Consult. Also, we are ready to do free periodic in-house customized training for your business partner or your business team leaders. Peradventure, you are owning a business or you are running a business and you have a group of people, you want them to be trained, whatever dimension of training, however you want it to be customized, we come and facilitate it for free as a financial partner. That's one of the benefits. Either you want it on site or you want it online, however you want it, we'll facilitate, we'll train your staff or your co-workers or whatever. As far as you are a partner with us, we'll train them for free periodically. Also, or finally, the benefits of being a financial partner and subscribing for this partnership scheme, you get direct promotion of your business on Wealth Consult platforms, either online, both online and on site. So as a financial partner, you have the right to request that we promote your business. As a financial partner, if there are products and services you want to be promoted, either on site or online, we'll do that for you free as a financial partner of Wealth Consult. So these are the benefits. If you look at it very well, you will see that it's a win-win.